Welcome, students. Our topic for today is entitled as Designing Computer Architecture Using an Application Software. This is actually a demonstration video on how to use GNACAD. So what is GNACAD? It is a professional DWG or DXF drawings editor with full 2D or 3D model support. And before I can demonstrate you on how to use this application software, I would like to share to you the different types of lines in drawing. And I think you're very familiar with these lines because you've discussed it in drawing 1 and drawing 2. So you can see their construction line, center line, hidden line, phantom line, drawing line, break line, dimension line, leader line, and cutting plane line. And in our drawing, we will try to use some of these lines. Now, I would like you to open GNACAD application software on your mobile phone. Now, after opening GNACAD application software on your mobile phone, you can see here sample drawings. Okay, for example, you can see here a plan of Android icon. Let's go back. And we have here example number 2. It's actually a design plan of a house. It's high-end, created in GNACAD. Okay, so let's go back. Then we have here example number 3. It's actually on 3D. It's amazing. You can actually create a 3D design plan using GNACAD. Okay, no? And let's try to check example 4. By the way, it's actually a design plan of an aircraft engine. Wow, this is very nice. Created in GNACAD. Don't worry, class. We will start with basic. I would like you to create this plan, this model, using this brilliant application. You can see here the top view, the front view, and the right side view. And you can see there the dimensions. Okay, we have 40, 20, 10, and 20 for the radius of this arc. Now, to be able to start, I want you to select this plus symbol, then select on matrix. After selecting the matrix, you can see here the different tools that you can use in this application software. You can see there for edit, for putting dimensions, for measuring some of the entities here, and you can also put here an attachment. And if you try to click on plus sign, you can see here the different tools that you can use in creating a drawing. So let's start using the line tool. So I want you to specify the first point here. For example, let's try to put it here. Okay, in coordinates, let's try to put here 0, then 0. Okay, confirm input, confirm input. So let's try to specify the second point here. So this time, I want you to type here 269 millimeters. Let's try to put here a border for our drawing. Confirm input also. Then vertical line, please. Here in the measurement, I want you to type here 205. Confirm input. Then I want you to specify our second point here. Just the same, I want you to type here 269. Confirm input. Then let's try to specify another point here, which is the point of origin. So it's exactly 205 millimeters. And You can see here the angle is 90, negative 90 degrees. Confirm input, confirm input. Okay, so that's it. We have now our borderline in our drawing. It's amazing. It's very easy, right? Using GNACAD. Take note, this is just for free. You can download this anytime, anywhere, whenever you have an internet connection. Okay, so then let's try to put here a line. Okay, you can see their boxes. 1, 2, 1, 2, then 3. Okay, let's try to put here a line. Just the same, I want you to select here the plus, then select their line, then put here, let's try to specify here the first point. Okay, for x, 0, for y, 30. Let's make it exactly 30. Then let's try to put here another, let's try to specify here our second point. So exactly 269 millimeters. Okay, confirm input. Okay, just check it out. Okay, so let's try to divide the bottom part into 3 equal parts. So I want you to select again plus symbol, line. Okay, let's try to count it up to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we can specify our first point here. Okay, for x, let's try to make it exactly 90. For y, type there 30. Okay, then downwards, it is exactly 30 millimeters. Confirm input, just check it out. Okay, then line again, please. Then specify our first point here. I want you to type in x 180, then in y exactly 30 millimeters. Confirm input, confirm input. Then let's try to specify our second point here. Okay, so that's it. It's exactly 30 millimeters. Confirm input, just check it out. Okay, so we have now 3 parts in our bottom, in the bottom of our drawing. So let's try to put here the name of our beloved institution, Pat's College of Aeronautics. Then you can put here your name, your subject and section, my name as your instructor, and you can put here the date, then the grade. Okay, so this time, let's try to put here Pat's College of Aeronautics. I want you to select your text. Okay, you can zoom in. You can specify the start point of the text, or then confirm input. Let's try to specify the height. Okay, I can specify the height like this. Okay, confirm input. Okay, just check it out. Then let's try to type here PATS. Click OK. Okay, so that's it. I have now here PATS. That's the name of our beloved institution. Then let's try to put here College of Aeronautics. Now to be able to put there College of Aeronautics, you can select your blast, then text again. Let's try to specify start point of the text. Okay, I will put it there, confirm input, and let's try to specify the height of our drawing. Okay, I will specify the height, confirm input also. Just check it out, then College of Aeronautics. Click OK. Okay, so let's check our drawing. Let's zoom out our drawing. As you can see, it's not quite good. So to be able to go back with your previous settings, all you need to do is to click on undo. Okay, so let's try to decrease the height of our text there. Okay, text again, please. Okay, let's put here start point, confirm input, and let's try to zoom in. Therefore, you can specify here the height of our drawing. Let's make it uh, small. Confirm input. Let's check it out. College of Aeronautics. Okay, click OK. So let's check if it is good. Okay, so it's now good. Okay, so this time let's try to put your name. I want you to select the plus here and select their text. Then I want you to specify the start point of the text. I want you to type here 95, then 20. Confirm input, confirm input. Let's try to specify the height. So let's make it 3. Okay, confirm input. Specify rotation angle text. Just check it out. In anchor text, I want you to type your name here. Okay, name Juan de la Cruz. Click OK. So let's check if it is in good shape. Okay, so I have now there the name. The next, let's try to put here your subject and your section. Okay, click on plus symbol again. Then text. I want you to specify it here, the starting point. Just the same, 95. Then let's make it, I suppose, 13. Okay, check it out. And confirm input. Specify the height, 3 millimeters. Specify rotation text. Just check it out. Then type here, subject, ampersand, section, from 313L, 1C, for example. Click OK. Okay, so that's it, right? It's amazing. Then let's try to put here my name, your instructor, the subject, computer architecture, and troubleshooting. So I want you to select here the plus again. Select on text. Specify start point of text or, so you can select here. Let's make it 95. Then here, let's make it 5 only. Confirm input. Confirm input. Specify height. Just the same, 3 millimeters. We will try to use that measurement. Then specify rotation angle of text. Just check it out. Then here, I want you to put my name, Mr. Chito M. Paselo. Then click OK. Okay, so I have now there my name. So it's now in good shape. It looks like your Form B in our beloved institution, Vance College of Aeronautics. Then let's try to put here the date, then also grade. Okay, so just the same, select your plus, then text. I want you to select here, for example, 185. And let's make it 20. Confirm input, confirm input. Just the same way, we will try to use that measurement, 3 millimeters. Just check it out, specify rotation angle of text. I want you to type here date. Okay, the format is month, day, and the year. Then click OK. So you have now there the date. The next, I want you to put here the term grade. Okay, so just the same, select this plus symbol, select on text, then specify start point of the text, 185, just the same. Then Y, let's make it 7. Okay, confirm input, let's try to specify the height. So I want you to put there, let's make it bigger than the date. For example, 6. Okay, specify rotation angle of text. Click on check. Okay, I want you to type here gray, colon. Okay, so voila, our border and the information about it, you can see that we have in good shape. And this time, let's try to start working on our model. Now, to be able to start with our top view, just the same, I want you to use line. I think you are now an expert on using line. Okay, so I want you to put it here. Okay, in X, I want you to type here 30. In Y, 180. Confirm input, confirm input. Let's try to specify the second point of our line. Okay, so 38. So let's try to change it into 40. Confirm input, confirm input. Let's try to specify the second point. Okay, here, let's make it 40 again. Check it out. Then upwards, let's make it 40. Check it out. Confirm input. Let's try to specify another point here. Okay, so that's it. Right? We have now a box. Then I want you to select here line again. Then select pinpoint it there on the corner. Okay. Then I want you to put specify or confirm input. Let's try to specify the second point here. Okay, so let's make it 10. Okay. Specify the second point again. Okay, so let's make it 40. Check it out again. Term input, let's try to specify the second point again. Put it on the corner, please. Check it out again, please. Check it out, please. Then line again. I want you to put here another line with the coordinates of 80 and 180. Then the length is 20. Confirm input, confirm input. So let's try to specify the second point. Let's make this 40. Confirm input, confirm input. Specify again the second point. Okay, so that's it. So we have now the top view of our model. It's very easy, or just like playing a game in your mobile phone. So let's try to put here a circle on this box. So just the same, like the plus here. Then I want you to select on circle, center radius. So I want you to select the center of this box. Okay, change the coordinates to 50 and 160. Okay, confirm input, specify radius of the circle. Okay, so intersect polar in this line on all the sides of the square of our box. Confirm input. So this time, let's try to remove the excess lines in our front, in our top view, I mean, by selecting this tool, edit. Then you can see their trim. So select trim. All you need to do is to select the excess lines, unnecessary lines in our top view, and select it here, select it here. So it's very easy. I told you a while ago that using GNACAD, you're just like playing a game. Okay, so we have now the top view of our model. So this time, let's try to create the top view, the front view here on the bottom part. But first, all we need to do is to project the lines here by selecting plus. Let's try to put here a line. Okay, 100. The coordinates of that corner is 100 and 140. I want you to project it here. Okay, let's make this 100. Okay, check it. Confirm input. Okay, specify. Just check it out and line again, please. Okay, on this corner, please. The coordinates is 80 and 140. I want you to select it here. Just the same, make it 100. Check it out, please. Checked and checked. Let's try to put another line. Maybe pinpoint it here. Okay, let's make this 30 and 160. Confirm input, confirm input. Let's try to specify. Next line here, 120. Let's make this 120. Confirm input, confirm input. Okay, so just the same. Let's try to put here a line. Okay, coordinates 70 and 140. Then put it here. Put there 100 millimeters for the length. Let's check it out. Okay, so that's it. So we are now ready to create the front view. Okay, now to be able to do it, all we need to do is to intersect the lines by using line tool. Okay, so select it here. Just the same. Let's change the coordinates into 30 and 50. Confirm input, confirm input. So this time, let's try to specify the second point. Okay, it's 70. Okay, then confirm input. Specify the second point of our drawing. So let's make this 20. Just check it out. Confirm input. Specify the second point. Okay, select it here. Okay, so it's square. Exactly 20 millimeters. Then you need to change the length into 10. Confirm input. Confirm input. Second point again, please. Okay, it's 10. Exactly 10. Then select here another. Let's change it into 10. Check it out. Then confirm input. Specify the second point. Confirm input. Exactly 40. Just check it out. Just check it out. Okay, so it's now in good shape. It's very easy to use GNACAD. Okay, so let's try to remove the excess lines here by using trim tool. Okay, select the trim tool. Okay, it's very easy. It's just like playing a game in your mobile phone. So if you can learn on how to use GNACAD, you can create a plan anytime, anywhere under the sun, whenever you have a mobile phone. Then let's try to create now the right side view of this model. All you need to do is to project the lines here. Okay, just check it out. Operation cancel. Then select the plus symbol again. I want you to select the line here. Okay, select the corner there. The coordinates, you can see there, 170. Okay, so let's change the length into 120. Okay, so check it. Confirm input. Okay, let's check it out. Let's try to select another. Coordinates 150. Okay, so let's change the length into 120. Check it out. Okay. Then let's try to specify the first point here. Let's try to project this line. For our right side view, 120 also. just check it out. Confirm input, just check it out. Line, select the corner with coordinates of 100 and 180. Okay, so this time let's make this 150, 120 only. Just check it out, check it out. Specify the second point, just check it out. Okay, so next, let's try to select here on this point, 170. Then I want you to select here, let's make this 165, confirm input, confirm input. Okay, just check it out. Then I want you to select online again. Let's try to project this like this. It's very easy. Okay, it's 90. Just check it out. Line again, select line. Okay, 220 by 180. So project it downwards, 130. Confirm input. Just check it out. Okay, so that's it. We have now the right side view. Let's try to erase the excess lines in this drawing by selecting this tool. Click on trim, delete the excess lines. Okay, so it's very easy. They have now the right side view easily under GNACAD. What a wonderful application. Okay, so this time, let's try to create our isometric drawing. Now, to be able to do the isometric drawing, all you need to do is to check it so we can cancel the operation. Okay, plus symbol again. Then, I want you to select on line. We will try to create our isometric here. Okay, I want you to change the coordinates into 170 by 100. Okay, confirm input, confirm input. Then we can now use here the angle. So let's try to specify the second point here of our drawing. Okay, so let's try to draw here a line. Then let's try to change this into 30. And let's make this 20. Okay, confirm input. Confirm input. Let's try to specify the second line here. Okay, the second point. But this time, let's try to change the angle into 150. Let's check it out. Then the length is 20 also. Okay. Then let's try to create here another line. Now let's try to change this into negative 150. Then here on the length, 20. Just the same. And let's try to create here another line. Let's make this 20. Then for angle is 150. Just check it out. And put here another line. Let's make this 20. Then here on angle, let's make this 30. Confirm input, confirm input. And let's try to put the next point here. Okay, so exactly 20. So check it out, please. Just check it out. Then afterwards, I want you to select the line again. Draw it here. So exactly 170 and 100 for the coordinates. Then now exactly 20. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Then line place again. I want you to pinpoint it here. Exactly 187. And put it here. The angle is 30. Make it 30. And let's make this 20. Okay, check. Check. Let's try to specify the second point here. Okay. Let's make this 20. Let's make this 150. Confirm input. Confirm input. Let's try to specify the second point here. Okay. Confirm input. Specify the second point. Another line here. Okay. Put that in that corner. Let's make this 150. Let's make this 20. Confirm input. Confirm input. Specify the second point. Okay. Confirm input. Confirm input. Then let's try to create here a vertical line. Okay. Here. This point. The height is 20. Okay. Check. Then let's try to create here a line. Okay. 40. Okay. The line is 40. And the angle is 30. Check. Then let's try to confirm input. Let's try to specify the second point here. Okay, downwards. Okay. The length is 10 and the angle is negative 90. Confirm input. Confirm input. Specify the second point. The angle is 30. The length is 10. Confirm input. Confirm input. So upwards. Let's change the length into 10. Let's check it out. Then I want you to continue the line here. I want you to select here 20, then 30. Let's check it out. Check it out. Then specify the second point here. Okay, so let's make this 20. Confirm input. Okay, so let's try to specify the next point again here. Okay, voila. It's very easy, just like playing a game here. Okay, just check it out. Then line again, please. Select it here. Then I want to draw a line here. Angle is 150. The length is 40. Okay, confirm input. Then create another line here. Make this 20. Negative 150. Just check it out. Confirm input. Okay, another point here. Confirm input. Okay. Line again, please. Click it here. Okay. So let's make this 10. Let's check this. Check this. Then pinpoint it here. Check it. Check it also. Then next, I want you to select this corner again. Okay. The length is 40. And the angle is 150. Confirm input. Confirm input. Specify the next point. Okay, here. Okay, so make this 40. Make this negative 150. Let's check it out. Okay, specify the next point here. Okay, select this corner, exactly 40 millimeters. Okay, then let's try to connect this. Okay, 1, then 2. It's very easy. Then let's try to put here lines also. Okay, 1, then 2. So let's make this 20, 150. Okay, so just check this again. Okay, specify the next line. Put here another line, please, and put it here. 20. Then let's make this 30. Just check it out, then voila. Okay, so we have now the isometric of our model. So this time, let's try to put here lines in this box to be able to create the arcs here. But it's very easy to do it. Just select here the plus, then the line here. Then I want you to put here a line on that corner, then put it here. Okay, confirm input, confirm input. Put there another line, please. Confirm input, confirm input. Okay, so it's very easy to do it. Okay, another line, please. Okay, so voila. We have now a line there. Then let's try to put it also here on the bottom part. Okay, by clicking line. It's very simple. Just like creating an ellipse here. Okay, another line here. Okay, voila. It's very easy, right? So let's now, okay, so let's try to put there an arc in our drawing. You can select here the plus, select the arc here. I want you to select here, start, end, then center. Okay, here is our starting point, ending point, then the center. So we have now the arc here. It's very easy, right? Then just the same, I want you to select here, start, end, then center. Okay, start. Okay, we have there the starting point. You have the ending point. Then we have now the center. Okay, so we have now the arc easily. Confirm input, then just the same, start and center. Okay, so let's try to do it here. Start. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so I want you to select here, start and center. Start, end, then center. Okay, confirm input. So we have now ready-made arc there. Just the same, start and center. I want you to select this and this, start and then center. Okay, so we have now a ready-made arc. Confirm input. So that's it. We are very near to the end. So let's try to put here a line. Okay, but before putting there a line, let's try to remove the excess lines here in our drawing. Okay, so I want you to select here, trim. Let's try to trim the excess lines here. You don't need it. Okay, it's very easy, right? We're just playing a game. It's very easy, very easy. Okay, so this time let's try to put a line here first. Okay, Let's try to put there a line. That corner to this corner. Just check it out. Put there another line, please. Okay. Another line. Okay, so that's it. Check it out. Check it out. Let's try to use the trim tool here. Okay, select on trim tool. Let's try to remove the excess line in our isometric drawing. Okay, so voila. I have now a ready-made isometric in GNACAD. Okay, so let's try to put here some dimensions in our drawing. Okay, so I want you to click here. Then let's try to put here a dimension, a linear. Okay, put there another dimension, please. Another dimension. Okay, so exactly 40. It's exactly 40. It's amazing. So the height here, 20 also. Okay, so let's put here a dimension. Okay, so it's 20, right? Okay, so let's try to put there the radius for that arc. Okay, so that's it. So this time, let's try to put here labels for the different views of this model so we can finish the drawing. Okay, select here plus, then text. Okay, specify here the starting point of our text. Then confirm input, rotation of the angle, type there top, view, click OK. So I think it's big. Let's try to undo it. Select their plus symbol, click on text. I want you to put it here, top view. Okay, so let's try to adjust here, 190, frame input, or let's make it 185 only. Okay, confirm input, the size here, the height is 4 only. Okay, specify rotation, just check it out. Type here, top view, click OK. So we have now the top view there. Just the same, let's try to put here the front view. Okay, confirm input, just the same, 4, just check it out. Front view, click OK. So I have now the front view, another text here. Okay, confirm input, specify the height, 4 only. Okay, right side view, click OK. So I have now the label here, so another text here. Okay, confirm input, specify the height, 4 millimeters only. Okay, so I will type here isometric view. Okay, so we are now finished with our drawing. So I want you to save this drawing as 2013. It's the latest DWG. Then I want you to change the file name into GNACAD underscore your surname, then your first name. Then click on save. So I want you to send this file in our Google Classroom. Okay, so thank you very much, class. Adios.